Hey, and welcome back to another APC Tech Talk. I'm Matt from the Research and Development team here at All Purpose Coatings. And today, we're looking at our epoxy putty kits. Our EPO100EP Epoxy Putty is designed, formulated, and manufactured to ensure the highest intercoat adhesion between repairs and coatings. It is a two-component, high-strength putty used as a repair product for damaged, chipped, or cracked substrates. The epoxy putty is great for residential works right through to warehouses with its easy-to-use mixing ratio of 1:1 and curing after application with no standing or induction period required. The putty's consistent viscosity is perfect for straightforward applications. So, we're mixing together our putty part A with our putty part B into this bucket and filling this fine crack right here. Let's get into it. First, open your part A up. With putty, there's no real set amount, it's just whatever you sort of feel like mixing up. Give them a quick stir. We'll start with part A first. Make sure the part B is far enough away that you're not going to get any in. And you sort of just arm and ah how much you're putting in. That's about what I want. And again, you just sort of arm and ah, grab roughly what's the same. And then you just sort of mix. Mix until it's about light to mid-grey. So for part A is white, part B is dark grey. And together they make a light to mid-grey. You just want to make sure there's no white or dark grey bits still left. So mix until it's all one colour. Just like that. Alright, so let's get patching. We'll scoop out a smallish amount and you'll press it in horizontally and scoop across vertically. Grabbing a little bit extra every so often. Epoxy putty is best suited for filling thicker cracks. If you have lots of fine cracks in your slab, it may be easier to put together a repair kit and screed over the entire surface instead. So you've completely filled the crack, and then you're good to walk off to your next crack. Our EPO100EP Epoxy is made in 2 litres, 4 litres and 20 litre kits. And it's actually manufactured with our resins, which makes it the most compatible and best adhesion to all of our systems. And fun fact, this blend of products actually has a higher MPa than most concretes. If you enjoyed the video, check out the next one, and I'll see you there after I fill these cracks.